Hello and welcome to the world of ParrotsOS, where security meets versatility. In this course, we will embark on a journey into the depth of ParrotsOS Lakes, a powerhouse distribution renowned for its robust cybersecurity tools and comprehensive feature set. So, ParrotsOS is a Debian-based operating system designed for security experts, developers, and privacy-aware people, and can be viewed as a completely portable laboratory for a wide range of cybersecurity operations, ranging from pen testing to reverse engineering and digital forensics. It also contains everything you need to build your own software, as well as you can browse the internet privately and securely using the network. With so in this course, ParrotsOS is not just another Linux distribution. It's a dynamic ecosystem tailored for security experts, developers, and privacy conscious individuals who demand the utmost in performance and functionality. So throughout this course, we will cover everything you need to know about ParrotsOS, from installation and configuration to advanced penetration testing and digital forensic tools. But first, let's take a closer look at what ParrotsOS has to offer. So, ParrotsOS boasts a wealth of features, including comprehensive set of hacking tools, support for various additions, and compatibility with platforms like virtual machines, Raspberry Pi, Docker. It is designed for advanced user security experts and IT professionals seeking a robust toolkit for cybersecurity operations. So, like getting started with ParrotsOS is a breeze, whether you are deploying it on AWS, GCP, or Azure. We'll walk through the setup and installation process step by step, highlighting key configuration and options and security consideration along the way. But how does ParrotsOS stack up against other cybersecurity distributions like Kali Linux and Black Arc? We'll delve into the similarities and differences, exploring tool selections, desktop environment, and overall user experience to help you make an informed decision. So once you have got ParrotsOS up and running, it's time to make package management from APT basics to managing software repositories and leveraging package search and installation. We will show you how to keep your ParrotsOS system organized, secure, and up to date. So, of course, no cybersecurity distribution would be complete without robust networking and security capabilities. We will explore network configuration, firewall management, then secure communication in ParrotsOS, ensuring your system is fortified against threats. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of ParrotsOS is to extensive suite of penetration testing and digital forensic tools, from Metasploit and Nmap to Wireshark and Websuit. We will equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to assess security vulnerabilities and analyze digital evidence with confidence. So, and let's not forget about vulnerability and analysis and web application testing. With tools like OpenVAS, Wireshark, and Xhydra at your disposal, you will be able to identify weakness in system and network, ensuring they are fortified against cybersecurity. Password attacks and wireless testing are also critical components of any cybersecurity toolkit. With ParrotsOS, you can leverage tools like Java Snoop, Xhydra, and Wireshark to test the strength of password and analyze wireless network for vulnerabilities. Last but not least, we will also explore reverse engineering and reporting capabilities in ParrotsOS. Tools like BetaCap, EtherCap, and ZenMap enable you to perform man in the middle attacks, manipulate network traffic, and visualize the network topology for comprehensive reporting. Whether you are a seasoned cybersecurity professional or an aspiring expert, Parrot something for everyone. So, I will go through you one by one, like what will we cover in this course. So, this is ParrotsOS course overview and objectives. So, in this slide, you can see that ParrotsOS overview, introduction, cloud setup, comparison, installation and configuration, network and security, pen testing. Then this is the course content, like what is the course content? So ParrotsOS course overview and objectives, overview of ParrotsOS, all the three cloud setup and installation of ParrotsOS on AWS, GCP, and Azure. Then we'll cover we will compare ParrotsOS with Kali and Black Arc installation and configuration. Then we will cover mastering package management, network and security, penetration testing, vulnerability and web application with ParrotsOS, password attacks and wireless testing with ParrotsOS, reverse engineering and reporting tools. So this is the introduction to ParrotsOS Linux. Like it is a Debian based uh, it is a like Debian-based operating system designed for security experts, developers, and privacy aware people, and can be viewed as a completely portable library for a wide range of cybersecurity operation, ranging from pen testing to reverse engineering and digital forensic. So this is the key features and target audience like setup and installation of ParrotsOS on AWS cloud, then GCP cloud, then we'll cover Azure cloud, then we'll compare ParrotsOS with Kali and Black Linux ecosystem like which is better, what is the community and support. Then we'll cover installation and configuration. Then we'll cover mastering package management, like what are the various things in mastering and package management. Then we'll cover networking and security in ParrotsOS. Basically, we'll talk about network configuration, firewall management, intrusion detection and prevention, secure communication. Then we'll cover penetration testing and digital forensic with ParrotsOS. Like there are a lot of penetration testing tools and digital forensic tools which we will cover in this course. Apart from this, we will cover vulnerability and web application analysis with ParrotsOS. Then like we'll cover some vulnerability assessment analysis tool. Then we'll cover web application analysis tool. Then we'll cover password attacks and wireless testing with ParrotsOS. Basically, there are some tools of password attacks, wireless testing tools, and then we'll cover reverse engineering and reporting with ParrotsOS. Basically, we're talking about some reverse engineering tools, reporting tools. Then, yep, like that's all about this course. And talking about